So I'm doing the cheap bike build off. This is a collection of bikes. I found all 4 of these for free in the fall, so they've been sitting around. I've got plans for the Cannondale and the Bianchi, so those are off the list. So it comes down to this old Rockhopper and this Raleigh Talon. And since it's $150 and you have to be okay with selling it for $150 at the end of the day, I am going to select this Raleigh. I'd say it came down to these 2 because I have the least emotional attachment to them. I've already kind of started acquiring parts for these, for the Cannondale and the Bianchi. These 2, I don't know, I might use parts off of both of them, but definitely going to be the Raleigh. And we'll get started on it. I'm not sure exactly what it looks like right now, but it's generally in pretty good condition. It looks like it's been indoor kept. It's got some weird things going on with it, but generally it's all together. Grip shift that somebody added obviously later. Front wheel that's been added later. It's got an Acera hub on it. But this is the start, and that's the one I'm going to select.